Hi guys, Joe's here. As you may have already heard, on May 28th, Ring security cameras reportedly experienced a major breach. It looks like nearly all Ring users in the US may have been affected. At this point, it's hard to say whether it was a just software glitch or an actual large-scale hack. Some of the devices that show up as logged in that morning were actually mine. In this video, I show you how to check if your Ring account was hacked. If it was, I walk you through how to quickly remove any unauthorized devices. As a handyman, I've personally installed dozens of these Ring devices for clients, so I find it really disappointing when Ring has yet to notify users about the issue and seems to be downplaying it. Honestly, I'm not even sure if I should be reaching out to all the people I've installed these devices for to warn them or just keep quiet and wait for official word. Let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, let's start with removing any unauthorized devices from your account. Open the Ring app on your phone. Tap the menu icon on Android, it's in the top right corner. On iPhone, tap Settings. Tap Control Center, then go to Authorized Client Devices. Here, you'll see a list of all devices currently connected to your account. If you are the only one using the app, you should only see your own phone listed. If there are additional devices, especially any that show a login date of May 28th in the morning, that's a red flag. Tap the trash can icon next to any suspicious devices to remove it immediately. Let me know in the comments if you found anything unusual in your account. It'll be interesting to see how widespread this really is. Everything should be working normally again after this.